Alright, y'all, so I'm here in Florida, Tampa to be exact. I'm here waiting for my oldest friend, Valerie. I haven't seen her since not sure. Oh, maybe my sophomore year of college. And I don't know if that's her. You smell like a natural, Stop it! Stop it right now! Cut it out! Hi! Alright, so if you guys don't know me by now, I'm just gonna let you guys know that I'm lazy. And I love to be in the house. So night one, we got Chick-fil-A. Literally. And we're gonna go watch some movies. Yes. And I guess we'll start adventures tomorrow. But I have an excuse. Because I've been traveling all day. I've been up since 6:30 this morning. So don't judge me. I'll be here tomorrow. We are at Waffle House. I am so excited. Y'all have no idea. I've never been here. This is probably a bucket list thing, you know? I thought they were only in Atlanta or Atlanta. But we here at the Waffle House. I don't know about these grits, y'all. I got the itis. My stomach is metro booming right now, for real. But now, y'all, I don't know if you can see, but look at my nails. They look so jacked up. I have to go get them done. So did you say metro booming? I just said metro booming, yeah. Oh my God. What is that? Please explain it to me. I don't know. I think he's a producer, but I use it as an adjective. I use metro booming as an adjective. It feels so good to be myself again. I got the nails done. I got a nice little color. You know, it's pink. I usually do get pink, but it's a different pink. It's what would you? I don't know. It's a different pink. Y'all, we're at Busch Gardens. Why are you running away? This is scary. Eating a grasshopper?
Yeah, this is a grasshopper. I'm gonna eat the head.
Eat it.
I'm gonna give the ass to this guy.
Eat it. Ew, you had the crunch. Ew. How does it taste, honestly?
You get the head.
Gucci, Anita Lisa TV. Follow her on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook.
Yes, that's the plug.
Like and subscribe.
I don't even know how to. Y'all, so today is Saturday, October something. But last night my camera was dying. I went to the park. It was on 18% or something like that. But how about, we're having a good up time. We're going to McDonald's. We get to McDonald's. I pull up my book bag to purchase my McGriddle and my pumpkin cream pie. My wallet's not in my bag. So I'm nah, this is ridiculous. One, I'm so tired, I'm hungry, and I'm just so we drove back to Busch Gardens. Thank God it was what, 10 minutes? Not even. So I had to put my stuff, we put our stuff in a locker, and then our other ride we had to put our stuff in another locker. So we went back and we're no, the stuff is in the locker. Long story short, one of the manager or something, yeah, she didn't clock out yet, so she got my stuff back. And y'all, this is a big thing to lose. That's I'm just I'm over myself. I'm irresponsible. I have no business having anything nice, apparently. I don't know when I'm gonna grow up, but I hope it's soon. Can you hear me? Am I getting my own light? Bobby can't hear me, but we're at Usa. Hey, Valerie and I are walking into an escape room, and I'm so excited because I've always wanted to. I feel like my voice sounds funny. Am I tired? This is my tired voice. But I've always wanted to do an escape room, and we're finally gonna do it, and I'm super excited. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to like film, but we'll see. All right, you can take your sunglasses off. But yeah, we're about to go in. And like I said, I'm juiced because I've always wanted to do this. Ow. They said, ow. Can I not walk? Can I record any of it? No.
Probably not, yeah.
Okay.
We can be more than happy to take pictures at the end.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're going in. Wish us luck. Okay. I guess you don't want to put... Okay, bro. Wait. Y'all see I got my glasses on. Like, I'm prepared. Guys, so we made it. We made it. Look at the time. We have almost 9 minutes left. I mean, we did use clues and stuff and hints, but we made it. We made it. Ah, this was so fun. I would do this again. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Terry.
Terry. I love Terry. She's awesome.
She's great.
If you're ever in Tampa, what Mousetrap?
Mousetrap Escape Carolwood.
Yes, it was so much fun, guys. It was so. I would definitely do this again. It was so much fun.
And we won.
We won.
Thank you. No, you call me, and we'll do. We do special prices all the time. Okay, perfect.
So today is my last day here in Florida. Valerie had to go to work, so she gave me her car, and I'm about to go to this mall that I guess is supposed to be like kind of nice. Cause I don't know, there's nothing else really to do. Like, it's kind of cold out today. It's like 60, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna go see what the mall has in store. They have a Zara, so hopefully I like find some stuff in there. But yeah, that's my day. I'm gonna go shopping. They told me about some New Orleans place called Tibby's, so I might go over there. There's another mall over there as well. Y'all, so I am at a Louisiana restaurant. It's called Jimmy's New Orleans something, and this place is so cool. Oh, she took my menu already, but it seems like they have like real like authentic like New Orleans food. And this place is so cool. Let me show you guys like the decorations and stuff. She said like all the paintings were handpicked by the owner himself from New Orleans. And this is so cool. Crawfish. She said this is the party room. I want to have a party in here. My food came so fast. But shrimp and grits. I don't think it looks that good, but I'm really excited to try it. It smells so good. I think it's really good. It's kind of salty. Better than the grits I had at Waffle House. But I'm at this other mall, and I think I want to go get a second hole in my ear, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna chicken out, but I'm gonna go check it out. I'll probably use the price as an excuse, but we'll see. I really want a second hole, but I don't know yet. That's it. It hurts. I can't do it again.
Sure you can.
Oh, well done. Y'all, I can't believe I just did that. I cannot believe I just did that. She said I can't stick it in for like an hour because it's like sticking out and looking weird, but like, oh my gosh, like I'm such a baby when it comes to this stuff, so I can't believe I just like did this on the whim. That's what happens when I'm idle. Like I can't I don't know what to do with myself. Like I literally, so we're making this quick because my Uber is right here. But you guys, I'm leaving. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. Okay, stop. But yes, I'm leaving. I'm headed to the airport. So I'm gonna end the vlog here before I miss this flight because I'm not trying to have a repeat of Vegas. Say bye. Bye. Bye guys.